First, remove the side panels. Next, unscrew the screws securing the top and back covers. Take off the back cover first, and then you can lift away the top lid. Be gentle when prying off the side panels. There are plastic clips inside that can snap easily if you apply too much force. Take a close look at how I do it first. When lifting off the top cover, be careful to disconnect this cable first. Now it's time to remove the main board. First, unscrew the screws in these locations. Next, disconnect the LCD ribbon cable and all the other connectors on the main board. For the screen cable, remember to flip up the small black locking tab first. Don't just pull the cable out, or you'll ruin the socket. I recommend taking a photo of the connections before unplugging them, just so you know where everything goes back. Following my steps, the main board should come right out, just like this. Now, let's remove the power board. First, unscrew the screws on the lower sides and the side screws securing the front bezel. Watch out for the ribbon cables when removing the sides. Also, keep in mind that these side panels actually house the speakers. Next, let's unscrew these points on the bottom. Pay close attention, there's a very sneaky screw hidden right at the very bottom of this spot. You might need a flashlight to see it, or a long-reach screwdriver to get it out. If the case won't budge, this hidden screw is probably why. Once you've removed those screws, flip the machine over to unscrew the ones on the back. After unscrewing these points on the back, you can lift away the casing to reveal the power board. Next up is the power board. Before we unscrew anything, make sure to disconnect its cables first. Then, remove the screws in these 4 positions to take the board out. If you need to replace the screen or the thermal shield, it's quite straightforward. Just unscrew these 5 screws and you can take it right out. Important, once you open this section, try to keep it in a dust-free environment. Even a tiny speck of dust on the screen or shield will show up as a huge dark spot on your projection. Now, let's disassemble the LED module. First, unscrew these 4 screws, then gently lift it up. Now, let's remove the lens and the motor. First, unscrew the 4 screws around the lens, then the 2 screws securing the motor, and you can take the whole assembly out. Now, let's remove the first fan. First, unscrew the 6 screws in the locations I'm pointing to, then gently lift it up to take the fan out. Then, we move on to the second fan. First, unscrew these 6 screws. Once they're out, remove this top cover. You'll see one more screw inside that needs to be removed. After unscrewing that, the secco. Now, let's flip it over to the back to remove the third fan. Just unscrew these 2 securing screws, and it should come right out. Now for the fourth fan. First, unscrew the 6 screws securing the protective cover. Lift the cover off, and you'll see 3 more screws holding the fan in place. Once those are out, the fourth fan can be removed. Now, let's move on to the fifth fan. First, unscrew these 5 screws on the screen frame and take the frame out. Then, remove the 8 screws securing the top cover, and you can finally take out the fifth fan.